So the song has only 4 chords. I'll make it basic if that's what you're going for. But there's really many styles, endless voicings you can add. I'll stick to the simple way. Okay, so I'm holding an E flat chord. This is an E flat, huh? I don't know if you can see properly. Then the B flat. Then the G major. Finishing with a walk in the park F, the regular F, the simple F. There. I know you can see properly. Here we go again. And then there's this grace note at the beginning of the song. You tap the D sharp note, then slide through E to F like this. Yeah? There are also alternative ways you can play the E chord. Instead of holding the D sharp as your bass, use the C as your bass to give it a better sound. We can do the same with the next chord. Yeah, you have to understand that music is food for the soul. And just like food, you can add some spices. But others like it plain. Not everyone likes spices. You can play your regular air chords. If it makes you feel good, it's okay. So Brian K for Kimanzi or Kamau or Commando. I hope this helps, huh? You're the one who requested me to do this tutorial. Have fun while practicing and enjoy. Good luck, huh?